The type of heavy oil found there needs more refining than the light crude that comes from the Middle East. But the growing demand has made Venezuelan oil economically attractive. Their attention has focused on the potential of oil shale. First discovered in the early part of the 20th century, oil shale is not liquid. The oil must be withdrawn from solid rock.
Oil shale is unborn oil. It's volcanic inclusions and rocks that sank not even up in the earth that we cooked with oil.
Unlike regular petroleum, oil shale is actually refined in ice. One method being used
What? Right here? What? Coco!
Come on, puppy! Let's have a picture! Woo! That's fun, Richard! This is a tunnel! Oh my god! That's so beautiful! Let's do it! Let's do it! Keep peeing on it! Woo! I love it! I love it! Hey, Richard, take a picture of this tree. So beautiful. Oh my god, I can't believe it. Woo! Let's get going! Richard.
What?
Oh my god, Richard, this is amazing. I love it. Look, he's peeing right there. Get behind you, boy! It's fun. Man. Go. Richard, let me go. Richard, let me go. Yes, go. Richard, take my picture here. Little closer. Oh, it's beautiful. I can hide here like this. Look at the snow. I never expected that much snow. Go. Woo! Cars are totally drowned in the snow. See how deep it is, Rich?
Uh-huh.
Look at that. Look at Jim. Look at this. Oh! Oh my God. Whew. Oh! Oh. No. Oh God, Richard.
Got it?
Yes, I guess. Okay. Keep doing, Richard. You know what? Do it really good if you want good lunch. So you have to work for your lunch. Okay? And Poppy and Coco are cooking something for us today since we are busy outside. Okay? So they both are inside the house. Hey, Richard, look here. Yeah? How are you feeling?
My left arm hurts.
What hurts?
My left arm.
No. You are a strong, big guy.
Those 4 pieces
No
of bacon.
excuse.
After that 4 pieces of bacon and 3 eggs you gave me.
Yeah, I gave you on purpose today because
I know,
now what's
my-
coming?
Yeah, it's working. My left arm's hurt.
Okay. Well, forget about everything. I gave you nice hearty breakfast just for this, boy. You get going.